Welcome! In front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcuts on this device. What I mean by button shortcuts: basically, each button on your watch has some shortcut assigned to it. And to use the shortcut, simply press the button. So, for example, if I press the upper button, it's gonna open the training menu or whatever it's called. If I press the middle button, it's gonna open the notification menu, and if I press the lower button, it's gonna open the music control. Okay, and we can customize the shortcuts for these buttons. To do it, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Fossil Hybrid smartwatch application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the application. In the app, you can tap on customization right here. And on this page, you have different profiles. You can swipe left and right to scroll through the profiles. Find the current one that is applied. As you can see, this one is applied. And here we have the shortcuts. And to customize them, simply tap on one to open this menu. And as you can see, here we have wellness dashboard, past notifications, and music controls. And we can scroll through the different shortcuts right here. We have different categories: popular, activity, all. I'm gonna select all, and here we have all of the shortcuts we can use. For example, we have workout mode, shortcut, stopwatch, timer, weather, and stuff like that. To change the shortcut, simply press and hold on one you want to use, and then drag it to the position you want it to be in. So for example, I want this stopwatch to be the top button. Drag it here and release it. As you can see, they swapped. Now the stopwatch is there. Let's do the same for timer. I'm gonna move it to the lower. And for the middle, let's set, for example, weather. Like this. Oh, try again. Like that. And as you can see, the weather has this exclamation mark above it. We need to tap on this and basically select the city we want to get the weather from. So let's tap on choose the city. You can select current location. If you use the location services, you can also uncheck it, I believe. Apparently not. What if I type in the city? Let's type in something like New York. Oh, you can. So basically you can search for the city and select the city. So you can use the current location and New York. You can uncheck the current location. Okay. And once you set up the weather, you can tap on this check mark here. Once you're done editing your shortcuts, of course, to save the settings. And if you're using something that requires not some permissions, you need to tap on enable and tap OK. And basically, we need to allow the location permissions all the time for some reason if we want the weather to work. Okay, let's tap on the check mark again to confirm. As you can see, the shortcuts changed. Now we can go to our watch, press the upper button to open the stopwatch. As you can see, it's working. Middle button to open the weather menu. And here we have the weather. And lower button to open the timer. Like this. And that's how you customize the button shortcuts on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.